What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Kuya Eman. Today, we were talking to the skies with my DJI Mini 5 Pro for some amazing aerial shots. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enjoy the vlog. Tara, lipad na tayo. Alright guys, today we're finally unboxing the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Excited na akong makita kung anong laman ito. So let's open it. Wait. First, ito na ang drone itself. Ang ganda ng design. Compact. And also lightweight. Yan. And perfect dalhin sa mga travel at outdoor adventures. As you can see guys. Yan. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is built for amazing aerial shots. It can record smooth, high-quality videos and capture stunning photos. Tanggalin natin tong part na to guys. Yan. So, meron siyang parang gimbal guys. As you can see. Yan. Meron din itong intelligent flight features and obstacle sensing para safe at mas madaling i-fly even for beginners. So, yan lang guys. So, kung makikita nyo, meron din siyang Type-C for this and also the micro SD slot, which is dun natin ilalagay yung um, ating memory card. So, okay. So, ito yung cover niya guys. So, inside the box, we also have the, ano ba laman ito? Okay, spare propeller guys. Ito yun. Ito siya. So, meron din siya. Ito yung controller niya guys. As you can see. So, ayan. Makikita nyo guys. Yan. Okay. So, kung mapapansin nyo, ito siya. Yung kanyang, matawag dito. Parang cambio siya, no? So, ikot lang natin dito. Yan. Oops, bubukas siya guys. So, kung mapapansin natin, dito nilalagay yung ating cellphone. Or dito yung nilalagay cellphone holder natin. Ito yung cellphone holder natin. So, meron din siyang dalawang klase. Here. Na Type-C. So, standard. Pero in case na meron kayong Lightning or yung iPhone, pwede rin siyang gamitin. Papalitan nyo lang yung connection dito. Yan. So, ganyan na magiging itsura niya. Yan. So, the user manual, QR code, and also yung ating user manual. So, ito yung mga spare na makikita natin. Pag pinagsama-sama natin siya. So, ayan guys. So, okay guys, i-try naman nating on itong ating, DJI Mini Pro. By, i-ano lang natin siya, itong part na 'to. So, ayan, huwag tayong malilito guys, baka mabali. Yan. So, and then yung kabila din. And then itong kabila. So, mag-o-auto on 'to guys once na inano natin siya. So, ayan, mapapansin nyo guys. So, ganito ang itsura niya. So, once din na close natin to, mag-auto off din siya. Ayan.
Aircraft will power off in 5 seconds. Press any button on aircraft to cancel.
Okay. So, nag-warning naman siya. And then, dito. So, yun, namatay siya guys. So, ito na tayo guys. I-install na natin yung ating DJI Fly and DJI Simulator. So, I'm going to use this application, Viber, para sa ating QR code scanner. So, gagamitin natin to para ma-scan yung nasa box natin, which is yung QR code scanner for application. And then, direct siya sa ating browser. So, as you can see guys, nasa browser na tayo. Wala siyang App Store or Play Store na doon natin siya mag-download. So, not available at this time. So, just hit lang natin yung download application. So, make it sure lang na official yung ating website na mapapasok para maiwasan natin yung mga fake or modified applications. So, once na ma-download na natin guys, pupunta siya sa ating downloaded in process. So, wait lang natin siyang matapos. Medyo malaki lang yung files. So, after nyan, we can install the application. So, makikita natin siya sa ating downloaded. Makikita nyo guys, ito. So, it has about 700 MB. Yan. So, once na matapos siya guys, pwede na natin siyang install. Hit lang natin siya. Click natin. Install the application. After installation, open the DJI Fly. Follow the instructions on the screen guys. So, wait lang natin. And then, yan, makikita natin siya guys. Depending on your device and the DJI's current requirements, you may need to give certain permissions such as allocation, Bluetooth, or other device permissions. So, make sure na properly configured ang phone natin. So, and then, buksan na natin siya. As you can see, installed na ating DJI Fly. Next, we were going to prepare our simulator. After na to na mag-install. But first, yan, i-allow lang natin siya. So, authorize all. And then, hit the not now. And then, we're going to create or to log in our email or phone number. Pero dito, gagamitin ko yung aking email. So, as you can see guys, mas maganda siya kung merong login tayo na application, na email or number. So, ilalagay ko yung aking email. Type lang natin yung email. And then, we're going to create our password after this. And then yan. And then the password. And then, click register. So, security verification. So, ganun lang yung setup niya. So, once it's done, yan, save lang natin. Ma-open na natin yung ating application. So, ayan guys, we're going to install also the DJI simulator. So, the DJI simulator is useful especially for beginners because we can practice the basic controls without immediately risking the actual drone. So, as I said, yun, magagamit natin siya para mag-practice. So, same as lang dun sa ating first installation, kung mapapansin nyo guys, dinownload ko lang din siya. So, nagbukas yung ating web browser. So, makikita lang din natin siya sa ating downloaded files. So, same lang, click lang din natin siya. So, mag-i-install naman siya. So, kung beginner ka, I highly recommended na mag-practice muna tayo sa simulator before flying the real drone. Kasi para maiwasan natin na masira yung ating drone. But sa ating drone naman, meron yung tinatawag na obstacle avoidance. So, pero syempre, meron siyang mga kahinaan din. So, once na mabuksan na natin, and guys, nagbukas na yung ating DJI simulator. It's time to going to test the DJI simulator. Ang goal natin dito is simple. Matutunan muna natin ang basic controls bago natin gamitin ang actual drone. So, same as lang dun sa ginawa nating email and then the password. So, ganun lang din. Ipasok lang natin yung email na ginawa natin kanina. Parehas lang dun sa DJI Fly. So, we have two application na na-install sa ating mobile phones, the DJI Fly and the DJI Simulator. So, ayan, yung email natin. And then also the password. So, ayan. So, sundan lang natin yung instructions. So, ayan. So, connect the controllers. Once na ma-install na natin ito, i-connect natin yung controllers and then enter flight tutorial. So, yung pinakita ko nung unang video, nung unang part, ayan. So, ayan, once na maikabit na natin siya, we have the throttle or the altitude control, that we have the directional controls for moving the drone forward, backward, left, and right. We also have yaw, which allows the drone to rotate. So, let's try going up. First, slow and steady lang. Ayan, now let's move forward, then backward, left, and right. Now, let's test. We're going to rotate the drone slowly to the left and to the right. So, yeah, makikita nyo guys, lahat dito mapapractice nyo. Lahat ng movement ng ating drone para rin tayo nag-drive ng actual. So, ayan. Kapag actual drone na ang gamit natin, every movement matters. So, practice muna tayo ng smooth movements instead of sudden movements. Yan, kung manonotice nyo guys, meron siya mga instruction kung paano gagamitin. So, highly recommended ko talaga na gamitin muna to DJI Simulator. So, yan, papasok tayo dun sa loob nung circle. So, So, yan. So, okay na tayo sa simulators. Now, let's go to our next part, which is the indoor actual drone test. So, DJI Fly na tayo, guys. We're going to test the actual DJI Mini 5 Pro indoors. Pero before anything else, safety first. Since indoor flight ito, we need to make sure na clear ang area. No people standing too close, no pets, no fragile objects nearby. And make sure na may enough space for the drone. So, click lang natin yan, guys. DJI Mini and also our DJI 5 Mini. So, yan. Mayroong mga instructions din naman na ipapakita. Camera view. Yan. Makikita na natin dito yung actual camera natin. So, yung propellers, battery, controller, check muna natin yun before we start. So, connect lang natin yung ating connector sa ating sa mobile phone. Yan. So, makikita nyo, guys. Yan. Let's power everything on. Okay, we're connected. Before taking off, let's double check our surrounding, the area. So, let's do. So, yeah, makikita nyo, guys.
Home point updated.
So, forward, yung natutunan natin sa ating DJI simulator. Take off, ayan. We're going to keep it stable and hover for a few seconds. Hindi muna tayo gagawa ng complicated movements. The goal here is simply to check how the drone behaves indoors. So, mas maganda kung dito muna tayo sa ating indoors magpa-practice. Let's move forward a little bit and backward, left and right. Show camera, gimbal, and let's also check the camera movements. So, nice. So far, everything looks good. Now, let's bring it down carefully and landing. Okay? Sa ating, meron siyang automatic landing, guys. Doon sa, may button siya. I-hold nyo
Landing.
lang yun. So, yan. Magla-landing na siya mag-isa. For beginners, remember, don't fly indoors unless you have a suitable, safe, and controlled environment. So, proceed naman tayo sa outdoor, guys. Alright. Outside for our outdoor tests. This is where we can fly really, see how the DJI 5 Mini Pro performs in a more realistic flight environment. So yan, lumipad na. So yung sinabi ko noong una, drone check, battery check, controller check. So GPS and flight information check. Meron siyang GPS din. Yan, katulong natin si Sir. So yun yung drone natin. So, try din natin yung forward, left, right, and let's slowly rotate. Look at the view. So, let's try smooth cinematic movement. Moving forward and slowly turning. So, ayan, no? Pinapractice na namin, guys. So, this is one of the first shots that we captured during our outdoor tests. Look at that. The perspectives is amazing. And this is why drones are so fun for creating content. So, yun lang, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you very much.